How we doing, guys? Wanted to come show you my new bike lock for my motorcycle. Obviously it's not one of the ones that you put around the wheels or anything. This one's actually in the computer of the motorcycle, because as we all know, you can't turn a motorcycle on without the computer working with you. So what you do is see the handlebars locked, you put it in lock and it won't fucking move, right? So if you push this button, a little screen will pop up and you're gonna put a code in. So we're gonna test this out and see how it works. Okay. Alright, so I've got a code programmed in here, so don't tell anybody. Okay, so it looks like I've accepted that, so let's try to... Alright, and it should crank up. It's cold, it's so big. Alright, so yeah, that worked. So yeah, it's a pretty cool bike lock. I don't think they're being sold yet. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next video.